Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this BMW key fob. You're going to need a 2450 battery. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. I'm also going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver about this size is best. First thing you want to do is flip this over and press this button down and pull the mechanical key out. Now you can either use your screwdriver or the mechanical key to remove this back. There's a little tab right here. Just put your key under that and pop the back off. Now I'd like to use the miniature screwdriver here. Just pull out your old dead battery, and the new battery is going to go in this side first, and just make sure it's under that lip, and then this goes in first. Give that a good squeeze. There you go. And put that back in, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.